Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my Treasure Trove giveaway. So my Treasure Trove giveaway is always going. It's going on for years. It's really been a couple of years, y'all. And I do it around once every 4, 5, 6 weeks. So this will end, I'm going to say it now so I don't forget, February 24, noon Central Time. And then soon after that, a day or two or so, I will post a video with the new game, so to speak. So what I do is I'll show you 3 different groups of giveaways, 3 different giveaways, and you decide in order of how you would like to receive them. In case I pick more than one winner, if I pick your name and you chose group number 2, then that's what you'll win. But if you come in second and group number 2 has already been chosen by somebody else and I have picked a second winner, then I'll pick your second number. I hope that makes sense, okay? So let me just start by telling you what I have on my face, because a lot of you all ask me about my makeup. So I have on today Laura Geller's lipstick. This is in Mulberry Street, it's called. And I have not tried anything from Laura Geller that I haven't loved. So this has this beautiful print around the bullet, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. It might be a little dark for my look, but I love it. Feels good, moisturizing. It doesn't dry down. It will show up on my glass, but I love it. And then on my eyes, I wanted to use this. This is Slumber, and it is from the Copacetic Cosmetics. This is from, I think, the Copacetic Cutie bag, and I got this from Erlene. Erlene has her own channel now, y'all. Erlene is a subscriber of a lot of ours, and she started her own channel just recently. So actually we're going to do Mass Monday together this week, so look for that. And she sent me this with some other gifts, and it comes in this little package like this, and I wanted to use it. It's very beautiful. Let's see if I can get it. It has, well, it has all this glittery stuff going on, and I wanted to feature that on my eyes. So I thought, well, what goes with that? I've got several different things. So I have a couple of Z palettes from ColourPop. So Z palettes are blank palettes. They're empty. And then you buy the pieces to go in them. My 2 little Z palettes are full. So I'm going to go through them and see if maybe I can get rid of something so that I can put this Copacetic Cutie in there. So I just wanted to show you this one especially because it's from the lunar time of year. This is from ColourPop from several years ago. Lunar has it. It was year 2021, and it holds 9 pans. And these are not ColourPop. These are Makeup Geek, and then other things that I have picked up along the way, like this one. I can't remember it. This comes in, oh, I can't remember the brand of it. A lot of triangle shapes, but anyway, I like the pan itself. So these are some things that I got from Makeup Geek years ago because they went out of business. And then I do have, these are from ColourPop. I chose these myself. These are all shimmers. Some of them are duochromes. And I put this and this on my eyes. So I am going to maybe look through those and see if I can find a space for this one or something. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, and also, I just got this in my glam bag. This is the YC collection, and I forgot the color name. Does it say on here? Island eyeliner. It's like YUNKUE. I don't know if that was a color name. Now I can't remember. But it's this green. I did swatch it on my glam bag. I have that as an eyeliner. Just a little fun today because I'm home. It's freezing outside. It's below freezing again. Our ice is gone. Thank goodness. Anyway, so our winners this time around. The first that I chose is Sue Ellen Moran. And I will put their pictures at the end of, I have 2 winners. I'll put their pictures at the end of this video so that they can identify themselves. And Sue Ellen chose group number 1 as her first choice. So group number 1, I'm just going to go quickly through it, was the Jelly Pop kit by e.l.f. with this fabulous palette and a lippy and earrings. And I think that was, there might be, that was it, I think. There might be something. I think that was it. Yeah, I think that was it. Okay. And then I have it all written down, don't worry. And then group number 2, I'm sorry, winner number 2 is Joanne. And Joanne is Joanne 9766. And again, I'll have her picture at the end. And she chose group number 2. And some things got a little mixed up here. So group number 2 is the blush, the e.l.f. blush. And this lippy, and this lip primer and plumper. And this fabulous eyebrow brush, which I love and use every day. Also, it came with this jalapeno bite-size palette and this beautiful necklace. That's in. I'll leave it in this bag for now. It's a beautiful necklace, and I feel like I messed that up, y'all, but that's okay. I'll make sure they get what they want. And now let's go on to the new group number 2. I'm sorry. See what I mean? The new group number 1. Take a breath. Okay, group number 1, I have all packaged up. Group number 1 is going to be this e.l.f. baked highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. I used to take everything out of the packages, y'all, but e.l.f. just packages things so well. It's difficult, and then I ruin the package for you, so I'm not going to do it. It's a beautiful highlight. It's a baked highlighter. The baked products across the realm, anybody that has baked products, they're really, really nice. And they tend, powdery things, and they tend to work very well from my experience. And then I have one of the Seriously Satin Lippies in Raspberry. This is the one where the component is clear lucite, and then you can see the bullet in there. Camille is right here. And how far did we get? And then also we have an e.l.f. Mint Melts in mint. This is Mint Melt eyeshadow in the bite size. These are very beautiful, especially with spring coming up and summer. And I have, these are so pretty. These were from Let's in Style. And there's 2 of them. They're roses. And these you can pin to your sweater or coat, or you can clip them in your hair or on a purse or something. They're fabric roses. There's 2 in this bag. They're very pretty. And then also, I have a bag of the professional brush kit from e.l.f. So there are 12 brushes in here. As you can see, they're all, let's see, there's face, this has my favorite eyebrow brush in there. There's face brushes in here, and there's eye brushes in here. So there's just all kinds. It's a nice set of 12. I'm trying to see. Yeah, it's a pretty good complete set in there. And it's Ziploc, so I've never opened it. I've never taken it out. Beautiful white handles. Very pretty, very nice set. And that is group number 1. So make a mental note. Do you like that group? Okay. Group number 2. She's right here. So we're going to start this one off with the Paula's Choice Boost. I think this is $65, this item, y'all. This is 10% azelaic acid booster. This is for, it says clarifies an even skin tone. You use once or twice daily, apply to face and neck. Maybe used alone or added to your favorite moisturizer or serum for daytime. And then if you're going to use it for daytime, follow it up with sunscreen. Non-irritating, fragrance-free, never animal tested. This is basically for uneven, it says it's for all skin types. For what I researched about it is basically for blemished skin. So it's a wonderful thing. It's a full size. It may not look it, but it's a full size. And it's an expensive product and several of y'all have told me it's fantastic for if you have blemishes. So that is the start of giveaway number 2, if I'm saying that right. And then I have this super adorable cat pin. So this is like a giant safety pin, and it's in a brass color, gold color, and it has a cat head here and a cat tail. Super, super cute. Okay. And then we have an e.l.f. Seriously Satin Taffy Lippy. I just love these lippies, and they're just so reasonable. And this set also has Dashing Diva. I am an affiliate for Dashing Diva, so if you want to buy anything from Dashing Diva and you go in most of my videos, there is a link. The thing about that is every time you shop at Dashing Diva, you have to go in and use my link. You will sign in and make your own account, and you can collect points. They call you the Diva Squad. You can collect points to use against your account, and you get some good bonuses when you buy stuff. So, but you still, if you go in under my link, then I will get a couple of pennies. And, you know, it just helps with postage and stuff of all the stuff I send out. So these are beautiful. I'm looking for a name. Some of these don't come, they may have names on the website, but it doesn't have a name that I see on the actual package. But let me show them to you. They're really beautiful, holographic look going on there. And so these are shimmery white, and then these are real strong silver, like a platinum. These are multicolor glitter with mostly a silver base. And then these are that high roll, whatever I just said, that I never can remember that name. And so this has 32 gel nail strips. So people that like the stickers, these are the stickers. These are really nice. I don't use the stickers myself, but y'all have told me that this is a great brand for stickers. I love Dashing Diva for the press-on nails. That's what I use most. And then we have a palette in this. I just got this palette, and I decided not to use it myself, even though I wanted to swatch it. It's so cute. This is Lucky Chick, and it's called Daydreams. I just got it in my glam bag, my Ipsy glam bag. It's super cute, y'all. It is a plastic palette. It's really cute the way it's decorated. And then this is it. It does not have a mirror. I love it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 mattes and 3, let's see, 5 mattes. And then there's that glitter in the center. And then this is a shimmer up here. These two are shimmery, but they're more of maybe like what you'd call a satin, less shimmery than that. And then that right there, you probably will need something like a glitter glue to get that on. I do have other palettes that have things like that, just like one palette like that. And you can make a quick look, but it'll fall off, you know, you can't wear, you know, like for nighttime or something. If you're just going to a party for a couple of hours. But I love that little lilac in there. It goes great with the neutrals. Great. So that is group number 2. And then group number 3, thank you to Miss, oh, she's on the new bag. Camille is a mess, and I can't find a cat bag. Oh, wait, I thought I saw one. Okay, I have some things right there. But she's on the bag that I chose for group number 3, just to show you. Camille. I'm trying to get it. Oh, she's mad at me now. So I'm just going to use my, oh, it's filled with fur. I'm just going to use my glam bag, my Ipsy glam bag from the month of January, even though I kept telling you guys it was February. So there's nothing in there right now, but if you choose number 3, it will be mystery products that you will receive. So it's just up to you. So like I said, put in order 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, whichever way you want to do it, because I may pick more than one winner next month. It just depends. Sometimes I pick 3 winners, sometimes I pick 2, and sometimes I pick 1. It just depends what else is going on my channel, because I'm always doing giveaways, and I've always got a bunch going on. So I just love that bag. You know, it doesn't, I noticed from the Ipsy Glam Bag video, it doesn't show you how fabulous that is, but it's pretty fabulous. But I'm keeping the bag itself. You will get goodies. You will get goodies. So, like I said, this goes through February 24 and noon Central Time. You have to be 18 years or older. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. I bought all these products myself. If you are allergic to anything I send to you, I'm sorry, but I'm not responsible for them. I will get a tracking number from the U.S. Post Office, and then it's out of my hands if it gets lost or damaged. Honestly, it's never happened. Things have gotten lost, but they've been found, eventually found. One took 10 days, but other than that, everything gets to everybody so far, knock on wood. And Any other rules will be in my description. Any information, lots of information in my description. If y'all have never looked in there, look in there. All my links and things like that. And I think that's about it for now. And now I will post the ladies that won. And I'll say you have 24 hours to get back to me, but I'll do my best. Now, let me look at your names. I don't know. I know y'all, but I don't have your information, Joanne and Sue Ellen. So please get in touch with me because I have no way to get in touch with you. And speaking of, you do not have to be publicly subscribed to win this giveaway because it's just me. I know who my subscribers are. I know if you're following me. I know if you watch me. You can't be just brand new and jump in and try to win this giveaway. You can be brand new. I'd love it if you were here. And if you want to comment, and by the time I pick the winner in a month, if you watch my videos and talk to me, then I will know you. And then you can win. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.